This project demonstrates how to turn an ESP32 into a wireless Bluetooth audio receiver using a MAX98357A I2S Amplifier.
Hello, and welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar. In today's video, we're going to interface the MAX98357A I2S Amplifier with an ESP32 to play audio over Bluetooth. The MAX98357 is a digital input Class D power amplifier. It delivers up to 3.2 watts into a 4 ohm load and operates on 2.5 to 5.5 volts DC. Let's quickly review the board's 7 pins. LRC left-right clock for I2S mode, BCLK bit clock input, DIN digital input signal, gain and channel selection, SD shutdown mode, pin, ground and VCC for power. For this build, you'll need an ESP32 board, a 4 ohm 3 watt mini speaker, and the MAX98357A module. Here are the connections. Connect GPIO in 26 to LRC. Connect GPIO 27 to BCLK. Connect GPIO 25 to DIN. Leave gain and SD unconnected, and VIN to VIN. Connect ground to ground. For the speaker, connect the positive wire to the plus output on the amplifier and the negative wire to the minus output. Now, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and connect to the device named My Music. Once connected, play your audio.
This project demonstrates how to turn an ESP32 into a wireless Bluetooth audio receiver using a MAX98357A I2S Amplifier. For full tutorial visit, uploadideaswithitamar.com.